cost data is used to prepare clients' feasibility studies for the proposed project. During the design stage, the cost data is more related to concept and design. Cost plan is prepared to include all construction costs, including professional fees and contingencies. Standard forms are used in preparing ECA to ensure compatibility with information obtained from other resources. The purpose of ECA is to show how cost of building participate over element and method of element, information needed, cost analysis of each element, cost analysis of GFA, analysis of concrete components, reinforcement, and control. Preliminary detail abstract is a process where initial cost estimate begins. Two methods used are unit of end product method and approximate quantity. Literature review is done by reading related books, journals, or newspapers, and by referring to CA or DQ, and also by browsing the internet. The data are collected using unit method, gross floor area method, elemental estimate, and approximate quantities.
The purpose of cost data is divided into three, which is to maximize the revenue of each euro spent on a project and to increase understanding of the factors that affect resource use, including staffing patterns, geography, design parameters, and procurement. And the last one is to help managers explore how change in the level supply and demand could increase cost and evaluation of the national currency could affect cost estimate. The uses of cost data are prediction of cost that can be used to predict cost for the future project. Then, comparison of cost to compare on an alternative element which holds the same function of comparison of within. The last, study of cost rank that contribute of preparing of preliminary cost estimate, advice on cost estimate in relation to design of a project, life cycle costing, and pricing of fields of quantity. The sources of cost data include price books, contract document or bill of quantities, and government publication by governmental bodies like the Public Works Department, PWD. Types of cost data are market price that included of material costs which are often depend upon contractor, location, and market condition. Secondly is measure rates, can be classified in rates of complete works, bill of quantities, materials, labor, and plan. And the last one is indices, which provide the understanding of how the costs and benefits of specific within types develop.
Cost data are required at various levels for the theory and practice of building economics. For our task, the sources of cost data obtained are from price bills of quantities and elemental cost analysis. According to Hackett, bill of quantities or BQ is a document detailing the qualitative and quantitative aspects of every constituent part of a proposed construction project. In short, ECA is a systematic breakdown of cost data, which its purpose is to reveal the cost relationship and to allow for some comparability. ECA was developed in order to provide that data for design cost planning. However, their costs will need to be adjusted to take into account the various design factors such as size, shape, and height. In short, ECA is a systematic breakdown of cost data, which its purpose is to reveal the cost relationship and to allow for some comparability. ECA was developed in order to provide that data for design cost planning. To begin the calculation, firstly, we must make tender price index adjustment. Step 2, we make location adjustment. And then step 3, we have to repeat step 1 and 2 for each element of all 5 ECAs. The first step, tender price index adjustment. One of the 5 ECAs of analyzed project is in July 2006 with the index of 412.62, and the proposed project is in July 2019 with the index of 518.51. To make TPI adjustment, firstly, the TPI of proposed building will be divided with TPI of analyzed building, and it will be multiplied with the cost of the element in meter square GFA. The products will be the new price of the element after TPI adjustment. Next, we will look at the location adjustment. Second step, location adjustment. The location index is different for different states. Location index of the analyzed building, which is in Selangor and Kuala Lumpur, is 1.00, and the location index of the proposed building, which is in Johor, is 0.9068. The location index of the proposed building will be divided with the location index of the analyzed building and multiplied with the previously updated rate of an element, and the products will be the new rate of the element. Then the steps are repeated for each element. All 5 ECAs have different ground floor areas. The average cost of element are calculated from the updated price of 5 ECAs. For our proposed building, the GFA of corner lot is the same with the GFA of end lot and the intermediate lot. Then the average rate of element is multiplied with GFA. The product is then multiplied with number of units to get the final cost of the element. The total cost of the element is the sum of total cost of corner lot, end lot, and intermediate lot.
To finish the calculation, we repeat step 1 and step 2 for all other elements of the building. Then, we continue to step 3 by adding 5% of preliminary works and 5% of contingency. The total building cost is added by 5% of preliminaries and 5% of contingency to get the total preliminary estimate. In conclusion, the total preliminary estimate for our proposed building is 50,199,325 ringgit and 22 cents. Meanwhile, the factor affecting the cost is location and material price.